Normal apartment versus service apartment. Which one is a better option for investment? Normal apartment is a part of residential property where builder provides you an apartment or an area with basic fittings. Whereas if I talk about a service apartment, so it is a part of commercial property where builder gives you a fully furnished area. In a normal apartment, whatever the builder provides you inside the clubhouse or inside the particular societies, that are the only amenities or facilities that you can use. For example, gym, spa, salon, clubhouse, park, swimming pool, etc. But in a service apartment, apart from normal amenities, you will get some extra amenities like concierge services will be provided to you, golf cart services will be there, plus laundry services will be there. So all this makes a huge difference between a normal and a service apartment. If I compare it about the ROI in terms of rental, so in a normal apartment as per Indian market standard, it is somewhere around 2 to 3.5%, whereas in a service apartment, it is somewhere between 5 to